Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of 3 of the best Forex brokers in Canada: Oanda, FP Markets, and Forex.com. If you're trading Forex from Canada or you're planning to, today's video is a must watch. I'll break down their features, the regulation, the pricing, the platforms, and why they stand out for Canadian traders. Let's get straight to it. Oanda. Oanda is one of the most well-established names in the Forex world. Founded in 1996, Oanda is a global broker that's also regulated in Canada by IIROC. That's the Investment Industry Regulatory Organization of Canada. This makes them a top choice for compliance-focused Canadian traders. Now here's a little overview. It has a long-standing reputation with over 25 years in the game. It offers over 70 Forex pairs, indices, commodities, and bonds. Trading is done through MetaTrader 4 and their own Oanda Trade platform, available on desktop, mobile, and web. And their real-time currency converter and open order books are popular among experienced traders. What is the pricing like? Spreads are competitive, but they vary based on account type and market conditions. For example, Euro and USD spreads typically start around 1.0 pips on the standard account. No minimum deposit is required. It is ideal for beginners. And no commission on standard accounts. Cost is built into the spread. It is great for Canadian traders because it is fully regulated in Canada. The platforms are user-friendly and they have solid research tools. It has excellent educational resources through the Oanda Academy, and it supports funding in Canadian dollars, which means fewer conversion fees. The next is FP Markets. It's an Australian-born broker that has made a name globally, including with Canadian traders that are looking for tight spreads and ECN-style execution. Although it's not regulated directly by IIROC, it is regulated by ASIC and SciSec and still serves Canadian residents via offshore registration. Here's a little overview. It has access to over 70 Forex pairs, metals, indices, and cryptocurrencies. You can choose between MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and IRES platforms. It offers ECN pricing for ultra-fast execution. And there's a fast account setup available here. There's also availability of VPS hosting for automated traders. What is the pricing like? Standard account has spreads from 1.0 pipe, no commission. And the raw account has spreads from 0 pipes with $3 per side per lot commission. There's also a minimum deposit of a certain amount of money, about 90 Canadian dollars. And there's leverage up to 500 ratio 1. Now Canadian traders like this platform because there are super low spreads with raw accounts, high speed ECN execution that is great for scalpers and algorithmic traders, advanced trading platforms including MetaTrader 5, and they have good customer service and educational content. Next we have Forex.com. It's another highly trusted name in the industry and fully regulated by IIROC in Canada, making it one of the few global brokers with a truly local license. Now here's a little overview. They offer over 80 currency pairs as well as indices, commodities, and cryptocurrency. It is compatible with MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and their proprietary Forex.com platform. Exceptional market analysis tools are available, including Trading Central, Economic Calendar, and pattern recognition tools. Now what is the pricing like? Multiple account types suits different trading styles. For standard accounts, the spreads start around 1 to 1.3 pipes, no commission. And for the commission accounts, there are raw spreads from 0.2 pipes plus $5 per 100K traded. Now why is it top tier for Canadian traders? Because it is fully regulated in Canada, client funds are held in segregated Canadian banks. There's a wide range of markets beyond just Forex. There are great research tools available that are ideal for informed decision making, and local customer support is available as well. So which of these 3 is the best for Canadian traders? If you want a regulated broker with local support, Canadian dollar funding, and trusted history, Oanda is a solid all-round pick. If you are an advanced trader looking for ECN spread, fast execution, and MT5 access, FP Markets gives you powerful tools. Just keep in mind the offshore setup. And if you value recognition, platform variety, and rich research tools, Forex.com is a fantastic professional grade option. Each one has its strengths, so the best choice depends on your trading style, the budget, and the need for local regulation. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.